Hey guys, this is Joshua with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be learning how to play Lewis Capaldi's Someone You Loved. Hopefully I said the last name right. So what I'm going to do first is play the song and then walk you through a number of ways you can play it. So this song is in the key of D flat major. So it simply goes like this. All right, so that's just the basic structure of it. Now let's break this down. We're in the key of D flat major. All right, now this song uses a very common pop progression, and I talk about this all the time. Music has repeated patterns that repeat over and over again, and here's another one. So the breakdown is the first tone is a D flat major chord. The second chord is an A flat major chord. The sixth tone is a B flat minor chord. And the last chord is a G flat major chord. So when you put them all together, all right. Now, one way they're playing this song is really just breaking up this chord. Instead of playing it this way, you're playing it in the second inversion, and you're taking out the root notes. So, and you're just kind of bouncing off those two notes, but you still have the root here. So. See how that works? And that's pretty much the whole jam, like the whole vibe of the song, like the verse, the chorus, and the verse again. The bridge is the only thing that's slightly different, but let me just show you different ways you can actually play this verse and chorus part. So this can be for the intro. When you get to the chorus, you can go. If you want, but if you want to keep it simple, you just kind of use the same chord, sorry. Added that in there. That wasn't in there, but let's just kind of give you the idea of the song. So once you get used to playing some of these chords, you can start playing around with the chords and just putting bigger and better choruses to add a little bit more spice to your playing. All right, so that's the main jam. So the second part is actually a bridge. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and then you can play it the way that you want, but it moves from the second tone. It goes, sorry. We can go. All right, let me show you that. So second tone chord. It's like you're playing a B flat minor chord in the second tone. And then you can play, I like the sus chord here, or you can go. And then you can go. So something like that. So I'll do it one more time. So. That's pretty much it. That's the whole song. right, guys, so that's the whole song. You don't have to add those little extra embellishments. That's just me adding some flavor to it. But if you just go ahead and play the first part, slow it down, pause, mess around with it, you get the first part, the verse and the chorus, and then the last part is going to be just a little bridge, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, let me know what you guys want to see next. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.